facing a very critical situation. But as a teacher, I would like to give you all three things. Stay home, stay safe and maintain social distance. Now my today's video is regarding the lectures which we are going to take according to the timetable given to you all. Before starting, I would introduce myself. Myself, Mrs. Sayukta Demonte, teacher of Standard 3rd and 4th. I will be taking EVS 2 and Maths subject. Now let's start with our today's lecture. Now this is your EVS 2 textbook. Now let's start with lesson number 1. Lesson number 1, Maharashtra before Shivaji. We all celebrate Shivaji Maharaj's birthday on 19th February. We call it as Shiv Jayanti and Shivaji Jayanti also. On this day, we sing songs, we decorate his picture or statue with flowers. And we all say, Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Now students, do you all know who is Shivaji Maharaj and what great work he have done and for what we celebrate his birthday every year? Now, the time in which Shivaji Maharaj was born was a medieval period. And in this period, only the rule of king was there. No government rule. There was one king and he ruled the territory to which he belongs. And the people who stay there, they have to listen to that king only. Now, before the birth of Shivaji Maharaj, there were two kings, two good kings. They ruled in India. Mughal Emperor Akbar and Emperor Krishnadev Raya of Vijayanagar. Emperor Akbar ruled in north and Emperor Krishnadev Raya ruled in south. And they were very famous for their good rule. People respect them a lot. Same like as we respect Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. For the birth of Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra state was not free. At that time, two kings ruled Maharashtra. Nizam Shah ruled in Ahmednagar and Adil Shah ruled in Bijapur. They have divided Maharashtra among themselves. And because of them, Maharashtra state was not free. The people living in Maharashtra were not having freedom to live happily. They were not getting proper food to eat. They were not allowed to celebrate their festivals or worship their God freely. They were not even safe in their home also. But these two kings, they were sworn enemies of each other. There was continuously fight between them. They loved only their enjoyment and their pleasure. They were very selfish. And because of all this, the people living there suffered a lot and they were very unhappy. Like these kings, there were some Watandars, or we call it Zamindars, rich people like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes, who were Hindus and were staying in Maharashtra. Still they were selfish like these kings. They only think of themselves, their property, their land, and they never think to help the people of their country. Even there was constant fight between them also. And because of all this, people suffered and there was misrule everywhere in Maharashtra. Now Shivaji Maharaj heard all this and saw all this from his childhood, that how the people of Maharashtra suffered. So he decided to bring Hindvi Swaraj in Maharashtra. What do Hindavi Swaraj means? Swaraj means self-government, our own rule, freedom to the people. So to bring freedom to the people, Shivaji Maharaj thought of a plan. He planned to bring these Watandars together first, because it will get easy for him to fight against the enemies. Because he thought that to fight with the enemies, first we all should be together. In this way, he bought Hindavi Swaraj, means freedom for Hindu religion in Maharashtra. But Shivaji Maharaj treated every religion equally, whether they are Hindus, whether they are Muslims or Sikh. He also used to respect the saints of other religion also. He gave equal treatment to men and women. And this is the reason why we celebrate Shivaji Maharaj's birthday with great honor. And we say Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Now students, what work these saints have done which helped Shivaji Maharaj to establish Swaraj in Maharashtra, means to bring Swaraj in Maharashtra. Now this we will see in our next chapter, means in our next second lesson, as all the lessons are connected to each other. Our first lesson is over now. Our first lesson is finished. Now the written part we will do in our next period, which you all have to write in your notebook, and hard words also. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.